are slouching shoulders, chronic neck pain, and a flat upper back destroying your posture. You are hammering your front delts, but completely neglecting your rear delts. That stops today. I'm breaking down 8 powerful rear delt exercises to eliminate shoulder pain and carve out real 3D width. Watch until the end of the video, and you will find the exact workout routine you have been searching for all this time. Let's go. Exercise 1. Bent over barbell reverse raise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a light barbell behind your thighs with your palms facing backward. Hinge at your hips, soften your knees, and lean your torso forward at a 45-degree angle while keeping your spine flat. As you exhale, drive the barbell upward and backward in a smooth, sweeping arc, keeping a slight, rigid bend in your elbows. Inhale slowly as you lower the weight back down under strict control. This movement forces the posterior deltoid to execute shoulder hyperextension, placing massive mechanical tension directly across the rear muscle fibers without allowing any body sway. It isolates the rear delts, engages the long head of the triceps, and reinforces your entire upper back. Beginners should perform 3 sets of 12 repetitions, while advanced trainees can aim for 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 2. Lying wide dumbbell row. Next, let us eliminate lower back fatigue. Lie face down on a flat bench with your chest fully supported, holding a pair of dumbbells with an overhand grip. Allow your arms to hang straight down toward the floor. As you exhale, pull your elbows up and out wide, creating an 80-degree angle between your upper arms and your torso. Squeeze hard at the peak when your elbows pass your back. Then inhale as you lower the dumbbells smoothly back to full extension. By locking your chest to the bench, your rear delts and upper back fire with intense horizontal abduction, completely removing any momentum or hip cheating. This movement deeply stimulates the rear deltoids, rhomboids, and middle traps, building incredible upper back thickness while protecting your spine. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 controlled repetitions, whether you are a beginner or an experienced lifter. Exercise 3. Bent over dumbbell reverse fly. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hinge at your hips, and tilt your torso forward until it is nearly parallel to the floor. Hold a pair of light dumbbells directly beneath your chest, with palms facing each other. Keep a soft bend in your elbows. Exhale as you swing your arms holding the dumbbells backward, leading with the backs of your hands. Hold the top contraction for 1 second, then inhale as you resist gravity on the way down. This movement targets pure horizontal shoulder abduction, loading the rear deltoid through its fullest functional stretch and peak contraction. It builds rear shoulder roundness, strengthens the rhomboids, and dramatically improves athletic posture. Beginners should start with 2 sets of 12 reps with lighter weights, while advanced athletes can execute 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 4. Barbell seated behind neck military press. Sit tall on a sturdy bench with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Grip the barbell wider than shoulder width, resting it gently behind your ears at upper neck level. Brace your core tightly. As you exhale, drive the bar straight upward toward the ceiling until your arms are extended without locking your elbows. Inhale slowly as you lower the bar under strict control back to ear level. Pressing from behind the neck forces your rear and side delts to fire continuously for stability, maintaining relentless tension across the entire shoulder girdle. It develops incredible lateral and posterior deltoid width, strengthens the triceps, and builds rock-solid shoulder stability. Beginners should use an empty bar for 2 sets of 10 reps, while experienced lifters can perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 5. Seated bent-over dumbbell reverse fly on bench. For pure, unadulterated rear delt isolation, nothing beats the seated bent-over dumbbell reverse fly. Sit on the edge of a flat bench with your feet glued together on the floor. Lean your chest directly onto your thighs, holding a dumbbell in each hand behind your calves. As you exhale, sweep your arms outward and upward in a broad circular motion, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Squeeze your rear delts violently at the top, then inhale as you lower the weights slowly back beneath your legs. Pinning your torso to your legs eliminates all lower body sway, forcing your posterior deltoids to handle 100% of the load. It hones in on the posterior deltoid heads, minimizes spinal strain, and creates crisp shoulder separation. Beginners should start with 3 sets of 12 reps with lighter weights, while advanced athletes can execute 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 6. Incline prone dumbbell around the world. Challenge your shoulder mobility and endurance. Set an incline bench to 30 degrees and lie face down with your chest firmly planted. Hold light dumbbells by your hips with your palms facing up. As you exhale, sweep your arms in a massive, continuous circle outward past your shoulders and all the way over your head until the weights meet. Inhale as you reverse the wide circular motion smoothly back to your hips. This dynamic movement takes the rear deltoid and rotator cuff through a full three-dimensional range of motion, engaging every fiber of the posterior shoulder complex. It bulletproofs your rotator cuffs, strengthens the lower traps and rhomboids, and builds long-term shoulder joint health. Because of the long lever arm, use very light weights. Beginners should start with 2 sets of 10 reps, while advanced athletes can execute 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 7. Dumbbell lying one-arm rear lateral raise. To fix strength imbalances, nothing compares to the dumbbell lying one-arm rear lateral raise. Lie prone on a flat bench, gripping the front frame firmly with one hand for maximum stability. Hold a dumbbell in your active hand, hanging straight down toward the floor. Exhale as you raise the dumbbell out to the side in a smooth lateral arc until your arm is level with your torso. Inhale as you lower the dumbbell with total control back to the starting point. Unilateral training forces each posterior deltoid to work independently, activating deep stabilizer fibers and eliminating any dominant side compensation. It isolates the target rear delt, evens out asymmetrical development, and builds exceptional rotational joint health. Beginners should perform 3 sets of 12 reps per arm, while advanced lifters can push for 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 8. Dumbbell rear delt row. Our final powerhouse exercise is the heavy-hitting dumbbell rear delt row on a bench. Place one knee and one hand on a flat bench, keeping your spine flat and core locked. Hold a dumbbell in your free hand, letting it hang down. Exhale as you drive your elbow up and flare it out wide at a 70-degree angle from your torso. Squeeze your rear delt and upper back hard at the peak, then inhale as you lower the weight slowly, under strict control. The flared elbow row mechanics allow you to overload the rear deltoid with heavier resistance while keeping the upper back muscles fully engaged. It builds thick, 3D rear shoulders, fortifies the rhomboids, and enhances overall pulling power. Beginners should perform 3 sets of 12 reps per arm, while advanced lifters can push for 4 sets of 15 reps. Video. If you are struggling to see progress, dealing with an injury, or have any questions about your technique, drop a comment below right now and let's solve it together. Hit that subscribe button and let me be your trusted partner on this journey to peak health. Keep pushing hard, stay disciplined, and I will see you all in the next workout video.